Hello, trading is closed on May 3rd, 2017. Yesterday I was looking for lower prices and we hit a target of 23.86.33. The lower price is printed, and as usual that was a resistance and support level. During the day, MEJT gave a few signals. They've all worked. So ultimately higher prices would print. The sell signal was satisfied immediately, so that move was false and prices would retrace. So there's nothing new from MEJT. I have mixed signals from today's trade. Most likely as we gap outside the day's range. Next, most likely as we close, it'll change. Let's go over the positive signals first and then the negatives. It's positive that we gapped down, hit a bunch of lower lows and couldn't hold on to any of them. It's positive we had a wall of selling into the close. Usually that's followed by gapping up. And here we have a wall with a hole in the wall gap. These things tend to fill usually pretty promptly. So if we go up, we should go over this high and meet resistance. Those are the positives. The negatives are quite negative. This panic selling at the end wasn't enough to take out any of the lows, but within the last 5 minutes, a bar, we undercut all the day's previous highs. This is 3 days straight that we've rallied all day, and we couldn't close above the highs, or at least couldn't trade above them in the last 5 minutes, which is just as bad. This high is a strong resistance area, as we'll see, and is just about the worst possible place from which a retracement could begin if you're a bull. Here's our daily chart. We're still on a demarked sell signal. A lot of these haven't worked, but this one hasn't failed yet. Here's a 65-minute chart. The close of number 8 was 23.89.80. We hit 23.89.82, giving us bar 13, finishing early, and reversed immediately. So it gave a sell signal, and it started dropping right from the time the signal was given. Here's a 195-minute chart. You can see this is a very significant trend line. We've hit it quite a few times. The more times you hit it, the more likely it is that eventually we'll break down through it. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hits. That's a lot of hits. The odds are overwhelming. We're going to break down through it. Let's not forget that instead of connecting this low with these lows, when you connect these lows, we're still under that trend line, and that's holding. Now here's the count we're using with purple B over there. If that's purple B, we had this as black A and that as black B, and as we'll see, there's a very good chance that A and B completed today because of some Fibonacci relationships. Let's start with the black B. Here's the B. This could be red A, then in gold you have A, B equal to 2 times A with C equal to A, ABC, and then C with C equal to just about, not quite exactly, 1.618 times this A. And when you look at red A, you'll see that we have a 50% retracement right at red B. So there's strong resistance here, and we could have wave red C starting right now. There's still a chance that the gap is up and Futures are up as I'm recording this. If we go up, we should clear this high meet resistance right over it. But if we drop here, and if we gap down under this low, we have all we need for the big drop to begin. And that's today's call.